What if I told you that one small daily mistake is quietly stealing strength from millions of women over 60, and most doctors only talk about it after it's too late? Imagine standing up from a chair and feeling your legs hesitate for just a second. That pause is not age, it's lost strength. And today, doctors are warning that skipping just 3 simple strength exercises after 60 can increase the risk of falls, joint pain, and loss of independence faster than most people realize. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to protect your body, your confidence, and your freedom. Welcome back to Seniorfitdaily, where we focus on simple, safe, and proven ways to stay strong and independent as we age. If this is your first time here and you care about your health after 60, take a moment right now to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us reach more people who need this information, and it ensures you don't miss future videos that could truly change how you feel every single day. Now let me tell you a quick story. A 67-year-old woman once told her doctor, "I walk every day so I don't need strength training." 6 months later, she tripped on a small step. Nothing dramatic, but her legs didn't respond fast enough. That fall changed her life. Doctors later explained that walking is great for the heart, but it does not protect muscle strength the way targeted exercises do. Especially for women over 60, muscle loss can accelerate quietly, and once it reaches a certain point, daily tasks become harder almost overnight. Here's the truth doctors are now emphasizing more than ever. After 60, women naturally lose muscle faster than men. Hormonal changes, lower bone density, and reduced muscle activation all play a role. But the biggest problem is not age. It's inactivity of specific muscles that keep you stable, upright, and strong. And when those muscles weaken, your balance, posture, and confidence all suffer. That's why doctors are warning women over 60 not to skip these 3 strength exercises. Not because they want you to look muscular, but because these movements protect your knees, hips, spine, and overall mobility. These exercises are simple, safe, and can be done at home, yet they target the exact muscles most responsible for falls and joint pain. The first area doctors worry about is the legs, especially the muscles that help you stand up, sit down, and catch yourself if you stumble. Weak legs don't just make walking harder, they make everyday life exhausting. Think about getting out of a car, climbing stairs, or even standing at the kitchen counter. When leg strength fades, the body compensates in unhealthy ways, putting pressure on the knees and lower back. The second critical area is the hips. Doctors see this all the time. Women complain about hip stiffness, lower back pain, or a feeling of instability when walking. In many cases, the problem isn't the hip joint itself, but the muscles around it. When those muscles weaken, the hips lose support, balance suffers, and the risk of falling increases dramatically. The third area doctors warn about is the core. And no, this is not about six-pack abs. Your core includes deep muscles that stabilize your spine and keep you upright. When these muscles weaken, posture collapses, breathing becomes shallow, and even simple movements feel harder. Many women don't realize that poor core strength is one of the main reasons back pain becomes chronic after 60. Now here's the encouraging part. Doctors agree that even small amounts of the right strength training can make a big difference, even if you've never exercised before. You don't need a gym. You don't need heavy weights. What you need is consistency and awareness. At Seniorfitdaily, we always emphasize one important idea. Strength after 60 is not about pushing harder. It's about moving smarter. These exercises work best when done slowly, with control, and with proper breathing. Rushing actually increases the risk of injury, while slow movements wake up muscles that have been sleeping for years. Another thing doctors want women to understand is that soreness is not a requirement for progress. Feeling stronger, steadier, and more confident is the real goal. If an exercise feels painful, it needs to be adjusted. Pain is your body's way of asking for kindness, not punishment. Many women avoid strength exercises because they're afraid of injury. Ironically, skipping them is what leads to injury. Weak muscles cannot protect joints. Strong muscles act like shock absorbers, taking pressure off the knees, hips, and spine. This is why doctors are now urging women over 60 to make strength training a non-negotiable part of their routine. What matters most is starting gently and staying consistent. Even 2 or 3 short sessions a week can improve balance, reduce joint pain, and increase confidence in just a few weeks. And confidence is powerful. When you trust your body, you move more. When you move more, you stay independent longer. If this message is resonating with you, pause for a second and tap the like button. It helps this video reach other women who need this reminder today. And if If you know someone over 60 who avoids strength exercises, share this video with them. It could truly help protect their future. Doctors also emphasize that strength training improves more than just muscles. It supports bone density, improves blood sugar control, boosts metabolism, and even helps with mood and mental clarity. Many women report sleeping better and feeling more energetic once they commit to simple strength routines. One important mindset shift doctors encourage is this: don't think of strength exercises as exercise. Think of them as daily maintenance, like brushing your teeth. You don't brush your teeth to train for anything. You do it to prevent problems. Strength training works the same way. As we get closer to the end of this video, I want you to reflect for a moment. How do you want to feel 1 year from now? More confident getting up from a chair? More stable walking on uneven ground? Less fearful of falling? These outcomes are not luck. They are built through small, consistent actions. At Seniorfitdaily, our mission is to help you stay strong, independent, and confident at every stage of life. You are not too old to start. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be to make a positive change. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and tell us, what is your biggest challenge after 60? Is it balance, joint pain, fatigue, or fear of injury? Your comment helps us create future videos that are tailored to your real needs. And please share this video with a friend, sister, or loved one who needs to hear this message today. Strength is something we can build together, and no woman should feel alone on this journey. Thank you for spending this time with Seniorfitdaily. Stay strong, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.